how to upload multiple pictures on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can upload multiple pictures or photos on TikTok. Well, after the latest update, it's quite simple and easy to do so let me guide you through. First and foremost, what you want to do is you want to open up your TikTok application, where you should get an interface like this right here. Now what you want to do is at the bottom of your screen you can see varieties of options, right? Home, friends, plus icon, inbox, and profile. You want to tap on the plus icon or the upload icon there, and once you tap on it, this page should load up. Here what you want to do is you want to head into the upload option at the bottom of the screen. Once you tap on upload here, you can see you'll get an interface like this. Now basically what you'll have to do first is you'll have to tap on the select multiple option at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you do so here, once you select it, you'll be able to select multiple photos, head into photos section, and there you'll be able to add multiple pictures. Here you can just select your pictures, and once you select them, what you want to do is you want to tap on next option, and once here you'll be able to add in music, text, and stickers, filters. And once you do so, you want to simply tap on next and you'll be able to post it. I'll not be posting it right here, but you can post it from here. So this way you can upload multiple pictures on TikTok. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.